Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a run in a 313 around the map in Royal Scale Garden Railways. This will be my first premiere. Enjoy. Or it's pronounced as Premier. I don't really know how to say it. If you want to play this map, go into Roblox and search Royal Scale Garden Railways, or use the link in the description. This game is free to play and it's just had an update. I'm going into the station to let passengers in, and then we'll go to the next station. I'm going to show you around this game and the map. This premiere is not sponsored. I'm playing a private server. It's fun to play with other people, but sometimes they sabotage your train or there's a lot of crashes. It took me a while to set this map up because, set the trains going around because I had a lot of crashes. The station is Santon Onward. I think that's how you pronounce it. Right, let's go to the next station. There's a few stations on this game. There's not really any sounds to these trains because the whole map is a miniature model railway. That's what Royal Scale is. There's also a few other Royal Scale games. They're very fun to play. There's a lot of cuts and gaps in my video. It's because I used the Roblox feature to record this, and every clip has to be 30 seconds. That's why there's gaps in my video. I want to try and do a live stream soon, but I'm just carrying on with my schedule for videos. I haven't been posting recently because I've been a bit busy and my phone wasn't letting me make any videos for YouTube. We're coming up to a junction. If you go left, there's a station, and if you go right, there is another station. This station is barely. If you keep going straight after the station, there will be a branch line. But if you go to the right, it will be a loop to a different station. I've only got a few trains running around, but there's a lot of options. Who's going to the Keithley Valley Steam Gala 2026? I'll be going. This station is Great Glen. I will do another video about Shipley Glen Tramway when I visit it again. Please put any video suggestions in the comment section and the chat. Right, let's go to the next station. Oops, I forgot to change the point. I'm going to reverse out and come into the platform. There's a class 170 over there. This station is Hamsley Green. There's 2 class 455s over there. Let's go to the next station. We're going back on the branch line / main line. We're heading to Great Glen, then Barley, then Staton onward. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oopsies, I overran the platform. My camera's going crazy! There's the main line over there. We're racing in 3, 2, 3. I know I'm on the wrong side of the track. train we're driving is class 313203. There's a class 442 over there, and that class 313 is crashed into it, and that class 314 and the class 72 with the empty flatbed wagons. If you want me to do a video of every train on this game, I can. If you want, let me know in the comments section or the chat of this premiere. We're on the right side of the track now. We're going through Hamsley Green now. About to go over a viaduct. This station is Sutton Scotney. That 170 is about to crash into us. I responded it. We're about to go through Hamsley Green, then through Sutton Scotney, or it's pronounced as Sutton Scotness. Please comment in chat if you're enjoying this premiere. This station is Sutton Scotness or Sutton Scotney. We're approaching a junction. If you go left, you go on a branch line. If you go straight on, you go on the main line. This line used to be a double track. I don't think this map is based anywhere. This is the only map on this game, but it's a very fun map. This station is Duddleswell Green. Now let's take this train to the depot. Now let's stop and turn the train off. Please like and subscribe, share and comment, and please follow my WhatsApp channel for exclusive content. Thank you all for watching.